Sairam children, I hope you all had a great time yesterday on Raksha Bandhan. So let's start with the studies again. So today we are not going to start any new chapter. We are just going to do the written work in the textbook. Okay children, that is the name of your textbook, that is New Green Tree. So you have to take out your EST book and you will do your written work. So we'll do with the chapter number 2, as chapter number 1 is already taught to you, and the first page of the chapter you have to do as your homework. So let's start with chapter number 2, lesson number 2, my body. I have taught you this lesson long back, so let's do a quick revision. Point to each part of your body and say, this is my head. This is my face. This is my neck. This is my shoulder. This is my hand. This is my chest. This is my stomach. Now come down to the fourth paragraph. This is my leg. This is my knee. This is my foot. So this was all about first page of chapter number 2. Now come to next page. Point to each part of your face and say, these are my eyes. These are my ears. This is my nose. This is my hair. Now, this is my chin. These are my lips. This is my mouth. These are my teeth. Okay. Now we are just going to do the written work. Now take out a pencil and eraser and be ready. So fill in the blanks with the words 1 or 2. One has been done for you. You can see some blanks in these lines. So you have to fill these blanks with 1 or 2. Some body parts are given. You have to tell whether you have these body part in pairs or you have a single body part. So it is a copy of the same page, the previous page. Now first one, I have dash eyes. So I have 2 eyes. It is already done in your book. So come to the next one. I have dash nose. How many nose do you have, children? You have only 1 nose. So in this blank you will write O-N-E 1. What will you write? You will write O-N-E 1. Now the third one, I have dash ears. I have dash ears. How many ears do you have, children? You have 2 ears. How many ears you have? You have 2 ears. So in this blank you will write T TWO2. TWO2. Now come here. I have dash mouth. I have dash mouth. How many mouth you have, children? You have 2 mouths? No, you have only 1 mouth. So what will you write on that blank? You will write ONE 1. What will you write? ONE 1. And now come to the next line. I have dash chin. I have dash chin. How many chins do you have, children? You have 1 chin. Correct. You have only 1 chin. So in that blank you will write ONE 1. ONE 1. Now in the last line, I have dash lips. I have dash lips. How many lips do you have, children? You have 2 lips. You have 2 lips. So what will you write in that blank? You will write TWO2. TWO2. Understood this much, children? Have you all done? Okay. Now we'll come to the next page. We'll come to the next page. You have to turn your page. Now look at this. What can you see? What can you see here? You can see some dotted lines. You can see some dots over here. So you have to join the dots to complete the picture of the girl. You have to join each and every dot and you have to complete the picture of the girl. Okay, you don't have to color, you just have to complete the dots with the pencil. Okay, children, you don't have to, you will not color the picture inside. Now look down. Now look here. Match the picture of each body part with its name. Match the picture of each body part with its name. See, you can see some body parts around. Can you see? And in the middle, some names of the body parts are given. What you have to do is, you have to match the picture with the correct body part name given there. Okay, so you have to, what you have to do is, look at the first picture. First picture is of your, what is the first picture? This one. This is of your foot. This is your foot. What is the spelling of foot? FOOT, foot. So you have to join this picture with the third word, FOOT, foot. FOOT, foot. Now below that, look there. What is this picture of? What is this picture of? It is of your hand. It is of your hand. What is the spelling of hand? HAND, hand. HAND, hand. And where is that HAND written? It is written at the last. So you have to match that picture with the word hand. Okay, children, understood? Now the last one is done for you. It is the picture of a head. Now come to next row. This one. What is this picture of? This picture is of your knee. This picture is of your knee. What is the spelling of knee? The spelling of knee is K-N-E-E. Knee. Where is the word knee written? K-N-E-E, knee. It is written at the top. So you have to match this with the first word. Now come down. These are two legs. These are two legs. What is the spelling of legs? L-E-G-S. L-E-G-S. Legs. So you have to match this picture with the word legs. Okay? And the last one is remaining. What is this picture of? This picture is of your nose. This picture is of your nose. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. So you have to match this picture with the word nose. Okay? Now the next page. Look at the picture and complete the crossword. One has been done for you. Each word is the name of a body part. So let's do this one. See, now we'll do this one. We'll do this one first. What is this picture of, children? This picture is of your, yes, it is of your knee. What is the spelling of knee? I just told you. K-N-E-E. Understood, children? K-N-E-E. Knee. Here I am not able to write it properly, but you have to write clearly it in your book. Okay, children, you have to write with pencil in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay, now come to this picture. Now these are your fingers. These are your fingers. What is the spelling of fingers? F-I-N is already written. Then you have to write G-E-R-S. Fingers. Okay, like this you have to write. Now come to this picture. What are these? Your legs. It is already been done for you. Now come to this picture. What is this? This is your eye. So you will write here eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Eyes. Now come here. This is your nose. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. Now come here. What is this? This is your ear. How many ears do you have? We have 2 ears. So E-A-R has already come and N-S is already written. Understood, children? I hope you all have understood. Now let's do this one. Tick the word which best describes you. Tick the word which best describes you. Okay, so what you have to do? This will be your homework. This is your homework. You have to do it yourself. Okay, you have to take help of your parents and you have to do it yourself. The answers, I'll read out it for you. I'm reading out it for you. First one is, I have black or brown hair. If you have black hair, you have to tick here in the black, and if you have brown hair, you have to tick on the brown. Okay, so the next one, I have long or short hair. If you have long hair, you have to tick on the long. If you have short hair, you have to tick on short. Okay, now the third one, I have I have big or small teeth. What you have to do, if you have big teeth, you have to tick on the big, and if you have small teeth, you have to tick on the small. Okay, children. Now the fourth one, I have black, brown or grey eyes. You know what you have to do? You have to tick on the right color of your eyes. Now, I have a round or square or long face. This, what you have to do for this? You have to look yourself in the mirror and then you have to tick on the correct shape of your face. If you have a round face, you have to tick above the word round. If you have a square face, you have to tick above the word square. And if you have a long face, you have to tick above the word long. And the last one, I have big or small ears. This also you have to look yourself in the mirror. What you have to do, if you have big ears, you have to tick above the word big, and if you have small ears, you have to tick above the word small. Okay, one more thing children, I want to tell you, when you are ticking, you have to tick above the word. Okay, you will not tick on the word. If you will tick it on the word, you won't be able to see the word then. See, like this. If I will tick it here, am I able to see the word brown? No, I won't be able to see the word brown afterwards. So what you have to do, you have to tick above the word. Okay children, like this you have to do all these. Okay, I hope you have understood all these things. You have to do it in your EST book. Okay children, Sai Ram.